Hello student, today I am going to teach class 7, subject GK, chapter 15, conservation movement and groups. Conservation of forest and wildlife has been carried on both international and local level in countries all over the world. Let us learn about some such lesser known conservation movement or groups. So, the first one is Monk Community Forest. The Monks Community Forest is in Cambodia. It has a Buddhist monk on portal patrol protecting the forest area. The monks were awarded the prestigious Equator Prize in 2010, which celebrates outstanding community effort to conserve biodiversity and reduce poverty. Only 25 such prizes are awarded every 2 years. The second is then the Charles Island of River Brahmaputra hosts many species and endangered turtles. The killing of adult female freshwater turtles and incidental catch by breeding adults have created pressure on the freshwater turtle population. The in-suit conservation of endangered freshwater turtles through community participation programs in Assam is a project that seeks to sensitize people and educate them to conserve turtle with help of the Rufford Small Grant for Conservation. The next is Indrani River Conservation Project began in 1971. It was started by the State Fisheries Department and Tata Power to help conserve the Mashri fish. Experts say these fish had not been seen in the river since the 1970s due to water pollution. A concentrate effort into the projects in 2010 has led to spotting the Mahashri fish in the river again. This is the fish of Mahashri. The next is the restoring Yaji River and watershed through scaling up agroforestry technology of resiliency to climate change and improving livelihood for the communities is a project funded by Rwanda's Green Fund with UK Department for International Development. This is the picture of a UK department. This project is Rwanda, Africa had provided 4,815 green jobs so far. The project benefits the community by increasing agriculture productivity by curbing soil erosion. It has led to job creation and it's providing good quality and 80% water from Yans River to Kigali city. The next is the Baiga tribe, a primitive tribal group from the Daba forest village of Sambhalpur block, has managed to protect and expand 600 acres of forest cover around their village in Madhya Pradesh. They have banned taking access inside the forest, banned BD smoking inside the forest to prevent fires, and disallow outsiders from the taking anything from the forest without informing the villagers. Both social boycott and monetary penalty are imposed on offenders. These steps have renovated water bodies and saved many trees from fire. With this chapter, if you have any doubt, do a comment on Facebook or YouTube. Thank you.